So yesterday's SPY, you can clearly see the 627 area right here, right? This spot, you had a double bottom bounce. What are my two favorite trades in the business? Come on.
Double bottoms, double tops.
There you go. So would this or would this not have played nicely on this double bottom bounce? And it's low a day. I mean, this is right. That's just glorious. It showed you right here. It showed you where it wanted to have support. It came back, touched it 3 times, off to the races. So from 627 to 630 up here. See it? Perfect, 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 perfect. You're trained on it all day, every day. I should have seen hundreds of P&Ls posted. Go ahead, partner.
It looks like it double bottomed in the aftermarket there too. So does that kind of make that a gold line in your mind?
Absolutely. Yep. 1,000,000%, right? So first thing that we need to do today, right, as always, mark your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Do that now for all of the stocks that you want to watch, right here. If you want to take it one step further, right, you can write it out, right click on your chart, go to drawings, scroll down to text, previous day high. Boom, you can put this right on your chart so that you know what it was. Same thing, drawing, scroll down, text, pre-market high. Put it right here. Boom, now you know. Right here, same thing, drawing, scroll down, text, pre-market low. Boom, right there. Now you will know. Same thing here. Right click, drawings, text. Previous day low. Right here. Just like that. You can use that now the rest of the day. Now, if you are a VIP Diamond Futures or crypto member, you have our TradingView indicators. All of this is already on there. Am I right? It's already sitting right there, telling you exactly what I just did. Already put in the work for you. Everybody do me a favor. Go look at your TradingView indicators right now. Do you see how all of those are already charted out? John Doe says, what's the sentiment for SPY today? All right, are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Where's that magic 8 ball? Where's it? Shake it up. And it says, who gives a shit? I want you to trade the trades. There it is. I can't believe it says it. I have a special magic 8 ball. It doesn't say yes, no, maybe. It says who gives a shit, because you shouldn't worry about market sentiment right here. See it? Can anybody see it? See it right there?
Yes, sir.
Right? You see it right there? That's why we don't use like VIXs and shit. You want to know why? Because if you go into this market thinking you have a bias or some special, oh, it's got to sell off. I keep seeing all the fake TikTokers right now. The market is going to sell off any day. You've been saying that for a year straight. That clickbaity shit has to eventually fade, right? Yeah, you'll eventually be right. Eventually, the market will correct itself. But saying it every day, dumb, right? That's why we don't use a lot of that shit, these fear things. That's why I don't use the RSI. That's why will never use the MACD. That's all a bunch of fear indicators. Right? Oh, it's oversold. It's overbought. And then it runs forever. Think about it. Yesterday on SPY, if you guys were looking at a MACD or an RSI, it would say this thing is oversold. Get out. It's oversold. Don't do it. And all day crashing, right? Okay. Avoid the nonsense. Check your bias at the door. Don't worry about any of that nonsense. Now, obviously, if there was good news and things happen, news will always override anything that has to do with technical analysis. You can be the greatest chart drawer in the world. News will come out. It's like shaking the Etch-a-Sketch machine. Just wipe the whole board. Clear, right? Gone.